Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix high CPU usage on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to first disable startup programs. Right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps and in startup impact, if you see anything is high, then you just need to right click and select the disable option. After disabling those, just to close stuff here. Second step, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find SYS main service. Double click on it. Startup type set to disabled and stop the service and select apply and OK for save changes. This same service called Superfetch in Windows 7 and Windows 8. If you are in those windows, you just need to do the same step. And after doing it, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Comes up a control panel item, click on open it. Go to advanced tab under performance, select settings. Select this adjust for best performance option and only check mark smooth edges of screen fonts and select apply and OK for changes. And now go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Find Windows Update service. Just double click on it. Stop the service and now go to File Explorer, go to C drive, Windows, Software Distribution folder, double click on it and delete everything in this folder guys. After getting deleted, just to close stuff here and go back to services and start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Fifth step, you just need to update the web graphics driver. To do this, check my video description for this download link. Select the web graphics card GeForce. Select the graphics card series, select the graphics card model, select your operating system, select your language, and select find option. And if you are a gamer, then you just need to download the game ready driver. If you are a content creator, then download the Nvidia Studio driver. Select the view option next to it. Select the download option and download it, guys. After getting download done, install it. And for AMD users, you just need to do the same thing. You just need to search for your AMD graphics card model and download and install the driver. For Intel users, you just need to download this Intel driver support assistant. You will get a download option, guys. After getting download done, install it. After getting installed done, in system tray, you can able to see after the installation. You just need to right click and select check for new drivers option. And this will list all required drivers for your system guys. Select the download all option and download and install it. After the installation done, you just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plan option and set this to balanced and just to close stuff here. After following these steps, you should able to fix high CPU usage on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.